Is it B, sir?
Okay, we heard the word B. Anyone else? Haley?
I think it's B too.
Nimesh? Marilyn? Janlap? Not? Crystal?
Yeah, I think it's B.
Well done. Because in forecasting techniques, we are using spot rate to measure. And spot rate, where we can find out today's spot rate in the market. That is a market-based forecasting. Well done. What about this? Which of the following forecasting techniques would best represent the use of relationship between economic factors and exchange rate movements to forecast future exchange rates? It would be A, fundamental forecasting, right? How about this? Which of the following forecasting techniques would best represent the sole use of pattern of historical currency values to predict the future currency value? Of course, historical trends, so it is based on technical, right? Now, from real deal starts from here. So if it was determined that the movement of exchange rate was not related to previous exchange rate values, so this implies that dash is not valuable for speculating on expected exchange rate movements. So guys, what is the correct answer here? Haley?
A.
A, okay. Fabian, what do you think?
I think I'm focused on it is A or B.
Okay. Kathleen?
I'm not sure, sir.
Marilyn?
I don't really know.
Nimesh? Are you here? What do you think so, Nimesh? Ping Ping?
What was the answer?
Okay, the answer is, of course, A. Why is that? Because movement of exchange rates was not related to previous exchange rates. It means historical trend is not including here. Right? Then who will give you benefit? We talked about in technical analysis how you will be benefited from in technical analysis, in weak form of efficiency, you can benefit from fundamental forecasting, right? So that concept is tested here, and they are telling you that the previous history is not related here right now to speculate. So it means technical analysis is giving you nothing here. How about this? If a foreign country's interest rate is similar to the US rate, the forward rate premium or discount will be, and meaning that the forward rate and spot rate will provide dash forecast. So we just talk about that. So you can think of in terms of parities, or you can also think in terms of right now forecasting as well. So what is the correct answer here?
I think it's C.
C, okay. Any other answer?
I think the answer is C. Yeah.
Well done. right? Because both interest rates are same, it means there is no appreciation, there is no depreciation in the exchange rate. So it means the forward rate will be exactly equal to the future rate, which is future spot rate, which is mentioned on the forward rate contracts. Well done. So answer this question as well. Foreign exchange markets are generally found to be at least we talked about that. At least. Kathleen, Marilyn, Janla. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
So what is the correct answer is B. We talked about in there that we are living in semi-strong market. Weak market, normally the developing or not the underdeveloped countries, they have weak market, but normally the developing countries, the foreign markets, they are having a semi-strong, or even the developed economy right now, we are having semi-strong market. No market is strong form market right now. This is ideal. So this is true false. The most sophisticated forecasting techniques provides consistently accurate forecast. True false. True false. Marilyn, Ping Ping.
False.
Why is false?
False.
Why? Crystal. Fabian. Kathleen. Haley, you said false. Why false?
I thought it cannot be constantly accurate.
Well done. Well done. Because no single technique is going to give you consistently accurate results. Sometimes one is going to be giving you a correct answer, but if you apply the same technique, it will give you a different answer. It's not consistently. Well done. So the summary is that multinational corporations need exchange rate to forecast, right? Because they are hedging payables, hedging the receivables as well, short-term financing, investment and capital budgeting, and long-term financing as well. So the most common techniques are technical, fundamental, market-based, and mixed. Each has its own limitations. So the quality of forecasts produced varies, right? So yet, due to high variability in the exchange rates, each technique has a limited accuracy. So you can see that no single technique is going to give you consistently good results. So forecasting methods can be evaluated by comparing the actual values of currency to the values of the predicted by the forecasting method. So if you want to evaluate whether this method is good or bad, you can only find out after comparing, after the reality happens. So if you find out that if you forecast that the yuan would be 7 yuan per dollar, but in reality it is 7.5, it means forecasting did not produce the outcome desired. So to be meaningful, this comparison should be conducted over several periods. So two criteria to use, I think we are going in, yeah. Two criteria used to evaluate performance on the basis of method are biases and accuracy. And we skip that part because a lot of the parts of this chapter are more advanced, more of, you can say that, deep mathematical calculation. So I just delete that part. That is for advanced level studies. So I'm just going to give you the overview that there are four methods. And the last one is mixed method. And what is the efficiency of the market? Weak, semi-strong, and strong. And then we talk about the some different concept checkers. And here we go. So I would be uploading assignment 6, which is not related to forecasting, which is related to the IRP and triangular arbitrage, covered interest arbitrage, okay? So that you will be able to perform well in the exam, in the final exam. So remember, our final exam is going to be on 30th of December, okay? So today is our 14th lecture. We have covered all the contents. So there is ample time for you guys to revise, to prepare for your final exam. Our next class is going to be a review class in which we talk about your problems. So come up with the problems we will be talking about. And right after this class, I would be uploading the assignment and also solution to the assignment 5 as well. Okay. So any question for this lecture?
No questions, sir.
Okay, then see you on our lecture 15. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.